Happy Pride Month, everyone. These Apple Watch Pride Band videos used to be an annual tradition here on the channel. I did take last year off, but we are back as we need to spread pride now more than ever. I'll say that in my collection of the Pride Bands, my favorite is the one that I'm currently wearing now. I wear it throughout the year, and it's the fine woven Pride Band. We did get a similar look last year, which is one of the reasons why I did opt out of getting it. But this year we are back to the Sport Band, and it has this new unique look. It's available in 40, 42, as well as 46 millimeter sizes, and small, medium, or medium large. And the Sport Band model does retail for $49, so not too bad. It won't break the bank. And as you can see, you have all of your fun colors here. You have your blacks, browns, pinks, as well as whites to represent all the different members of marginalized communities. Apple always puts so much care into their design of their annual releases of their Pride Bands. This year is going to be no different. So as you can see, we do have all of these colors, but what makes this year special is that they're all hand assembled and then molded and compressed together. Therefore, no two Apple Watch bands are going to be identical, once again reflecting each unique member of the LGBT community. So let's go ahead and get started. And as we flip this fella on the back, we're reminded that Apple is a proud financial supporter of all different sorts of organizations in the LGBT community. Most notably, I'll leave them all linked down in the description of this video, but most notably, we have the Trevor Project as well as the Human Rights Campaign. So two huge ones there. But again, there's more. I'll leave them linked down below. And let's go ahead and open this guy up. I'm so excited. Again, I did skip last year, which is unfortunate. We do have the, looks so good. And again, each of these bands are going to be unique. They will be different to you. And this absolutely does look great. There are so many colors. Let's put this guy on. So it does have the stainless steel pin so that you'll be able to clasp it to the right size for you. Sliding my Apple Watch Series 10 off, which I will say it has much better battery life. I know I've never made a video on the Apple Watch Series 10, but I do absolutely love it. And bam, looks so colorful, so fun. Let me also update my watch face. So there is a new watch face. All you gotta do is just make sure you're in the latest iOS version, watchOS version, and you should have it here. So this is what it looks like. I'm very, very bad with analog clocks, but here we are. We have the different colors, and as you can see, if you tap it, there is animation. And it doesn't stop there because, you know, Apple pays attention to details. There is a matching wallpaper for your iPhone as well as your iPad. And as you open it, you can see that there's an animation, so that's cool. And just quickly taking a look of Apple Watch bands, Pride Bands of the past. Again, the fine woven has been my favorite. I do think I've stretched it out a little bit, but there are some also fun ones from the past. I do remember the sprinkled ones. I remember the wallpaper for this sprinkled Pride Band. It was super cool. So that was 1 year. But I would say notably my second favorite was the Sport Loop. You have the rainbows, of course, and then it also had Pride embossed. So that was a cool one. And then you had just the regular watch band. This one was okay. Again, I do think I've missed a couple here and there. I definitely missed last year's, but I would say these two here have been my favorite. I can't wait to keep rocking this Pride Band throughout the month. Now, whether you're showing your support by picking up a Pride Band of your own, picking up some other Pride gear, or showing your support in different ways, just remember the work can never stop. Go ahead and drop a comment down below of where you'll be celebrating Pride this year. And of course, while you're down there, don't forget that like button, subscribe if you haven't. And until next time, I'll see ya.